Welcome to GK Mojo. So in this Target IIFT 2021 series, we are back with part 3, wherein we are going to cover the most important previous year questions. Alright, so these are the questions that have appeared in previous year's IIFT papers, and these are some of the most important templates that keep appearing every year. Now that the IIFT forms are also out, we have a different sort of motivation to prepare for IIFT, and you should be preparing in the right direction. Alright, let's get started. Question 1. A rectangular piece of paper is 22 centimeter long and 10 centimeter wide. A cylinder is formed by rolling the paper along its length. Find the volume of the cylinder. Alright, so there's this rectangular paper like this, right? So along its length, they have rolled it, right? So it would be something like this now, correct? So basically what we can understand from here is, and they have formed a cylinder out of it. They're asking you the volume of such cylinder. So basically, first of all, the circumference of the base of cylinder will be 10, right? Because it is 10 centimeter wide. So this part is 10, right? This would be forming the circumference of the base of the cylinder. But we also know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, right? From here we can find out r is equals to 10 by 2 pi or 5 by pi, right? Now height of cylinder will be how much? Height of cylinder will be as simple as that, 22 centimeter. This complete from year to year will be the height, right? Because this it does not change, it remains the same, correct? Now what is the formula for volume of a cylinder? All right, so the formula is pi r square h, right? So just place the values over here. Pi into what is the value of r? It is 5 by pi, squaring it, right? Because it is r square, into h is 22 centimeter, right? So once you solve this, you'll get the answer as 175 centimeter cube, right? Very easy to solve actually. 1 pi and 1 pi will get cancelled over here. You'll be left with 25 by pi over here, right? Then over here you can solve with 22 by 7, right? This 22 and 22 will get cancelled, and you will have 25 into 7 at the top, which will mean option A is your correct choice over here. Let's have a look at the next question. Again, a previous year IIFT question. Based on log, find the value of x from the equation. So this equation has been given to us. Alright. One thing I can observe is that the base is same throughout the equation, right? So only thing is this is given in numerical, this thing. So I can write this as log 10 to the base 10, right? Because log 10 to the base 10 is also 1. So I've just substituted like this. Now the base is same, right? So basically, if the base is same, we know that this can be written as 3 into 4x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 into 10, right? Because logarithm properties, log a to the base 10 plus log b to the base 10 can be written as log ab to the base 10. So we have just used that property over here, right? So now solve for x. All right, so basically over here you have 12x plus 3 is equals to 10x plus 10, right? So 2x is equals to 7, and x will be equals to 7 by 2, which is option B. All right, so sometimes you will not even believe such easy questions are there. All right, these sitters are present in your IIFT paper. You have to just pick them and solve them by keeping your mind very calm. Let's have a look at the third question. If 2, A, B, C, D, E and 65 form an arithmetic progression, find out the value of E. Alright, so this series, so basically this is the series 2, A, B, C, D, E, F and 65, right? Total 8 terms are there, right? So if you see, we'll assume the common difference as let's say big D, okay, because small d we have already taken it in the series, right? So this is the, let's say, common difference, right? So the last term 65 will be equals to the first term 2a plus n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 into d, right? Because the formula for any term tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So we have just placed the value over here. So basically we'll bring the 2 over here, so it becomes 63 is equals to 7d, and sorry, this is a bigger d, and d is equals to How much over here? Value of D comes out to be 9, right? So we have found out the value of D. Now what have they asked? They have asked the value of E, right? So E, which is which term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term, right? So it would be A, that is first term, plus n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 into D, and the value of D is 9. So this would be 2 plus 5 into 9, which is 45. So the final answer is 47, option B. Let's have a look at the fourth question. A bag contains 8 red balls and 6 blue balls. If 5 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that 3 of them are red and 2 of them are blue? So our favorable case over here is 3 red and 2 blue. And total how many we have? We have 8 red and 6 blue, right? So number of ways of selecting 3 red balls. First of all, number of ways of selecting 3 red balls. This is equals to 8C3, right? Total 8 are there, we have to select 3. Similarly, number of ways of selecting 2 blue balls will be 6C2, right? And number of ways of selecting 5 balls, right? 5 random balls out of this 8 plus 6 14 will be 14C5, right? Because total 8 plus 6 14 are there, and this is the number of way of selecting 5 balls. So the required probability will be 8C3 into 6C2 upon you will have 14C5, right? And when you solve this, you'll get the answer as 60 by 143, which is not present in the options. Hence option D, which is none of the above, will be your correct choice. Let's have a look at question number 5. This is based on your mixtures concept. The ratio of metal 1 and metal 2 in an alloy A is 3:4. Alright, so alloy A is there, and let's say M1 and M2 ratio is 3:4, right? This is alloy A, sorry. In alloy B, same metals are mixed in the ratio 5:8. So alloy B, M1 and M2, 5:8 is the ratio. If 26 kg of alloy B and 14 kg of alloy A are mixed, then find out the ratio of metal 1 and metal 2 in the new alloy, right? So they are mixing this alloy A and alloy B, and they have given the quantity also in which they are mixed. They are asking the new ratio of metal 1 and metal 2 in the new alloy, right? So first of all, fraction of M1, that is metal 1, in alloy A will be how much? It would be 3/7, that is 3 upon 3 plus 4. Similarly, fraction of metal 1 in alloy B will be how much? It would be 5/13, right? How? 5 upon 5 plus 8, right? So basically, quantity of metal 1 in mixture of A and B, it would be 14 into 3/7 plus 26 into 5/13. Why? Because you are taking 14 kg for alloy A and 26 kg for alloy B, right? Solve this and you get 16 kg. Okay, so you get 16 kg of metal 1, and total is how much? Total is 26 plus 14, which is 40, right? Total alloy B and alloy A are mixed, and 26 kgs of alloy B and 14 kgs of alloy A. So out of this 40 kg, 16 is metal 1, right? So what would be the ratio? Ratio would be 16 upon 40 minus 16, right? So what will you get? You'll get it 16 upon 24, right? So 8 2s are 8 3s are. Final ratio comes out to be 2:3, which is option C. So that's it in this video. Please visit us at jkmojo.com. Thank you.